ZENA stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is ZenaTech stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at this, of course, I'm ready to pull the trigger on this long. Now we're at $5 around. At the time when I made the bullish ideas, we were not at $5, we were at 223. We doubled in price. And since then, bro, I can tell this is so good. You know, I'm still looking to buy. But one thing that must happen is I must see a full candle close above this high at 531. And if I do not, then I'm not gonna buy. Like, very, very freaking simple. And Zena, I also got 5 results here as well. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. But other than that, it's all pure noise, right? I'm not gonna sit here and just trying to force stuff. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.